Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, I'm excited to bring you another unboxing video today. So a company reached out to me, sipsby, and they asked if I would be interested in trying some of their teas. And I said, absolutely, I would love to try their teas. So I know if you've watched my channel before, you say, Shakima, really, tea? You drink coffee. That is very true. I am a very faithful coffee drinker. However, various times of the year I do fast coffee. And when I fast coffee, I do drink tea. Earl Grey tea is my favorite tea, to be followed by peppermint tea. Those are some of my favorite teas ever to drink. So what I'm considering doing in the month of June, because I'm going to be doing a freezer challenge, I am considering doing a coffee fast for the month of June for two reasons. One reason is I can drink coffee black, but if I drink coffee more times than not, I'm having it with heavy cream. And so I want to decrease the amount of heavy cream that I'm using in my coffee, and partially to give my body a detox for the summer. And there's nothing better to me than a nice soothing cup of tea. I love tea. I probably, before I got really heavy into coffee, I would drink tea. And when I was pregnant with all of my babies, I did not drink coffee at all. So tea was kind of my backup comfort drink. I like the warmth that I feel with tea, and it just makes me comfortable and relaxed. Sometimes I'll have a sleepy time tea, or sometimes I need to detox and I'll do a detox tea. So this came at the perfect time, and I'm very excited to unbox these teas with you. So let me just share with you what the box looks like. This is the sipsby box, and I'm excited to get into this box and see what is in here. Also, if you're interested in ordering sipsby, if you want to try it, it's just like a subscription company, just like my Nadine West, you guys, except I don't get pink bags, I get little brown boxes, and this is so cute. The packaging itself is just amazing. It's very small, very compact, and I'm excited to see what's in here. So if you've joined my channel for the first time, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakima. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit this video if you like it. Give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate that. So let's get into the box and talk a little bit about sipsby. All right, you guys, so I'm sitting in front of my coffee station, and this is my coffee station, and behind me in this drawer right here is where I usually keep all of my coffee pods. But right now, I have no coffee pods in there. I do have a large collection of teas, and those teas I was able to get by using coupons. And I'm excited to add in these teas to my collection. So sipsby is a company based out of Austin, Texas, and it is an online subscription company. It's very simple. You go to their website, which I will leave a link for you down below, and you click on their tea quiz. There's an actual tea quiz, y'all, and I got to pick chocolate tea. I mean, I clicked on chocolate. I don't know what kind of chocolate tea is, but I clicked on that because it's like, well, what are your favorite things? And I love chocolate, so I actually clicked on that button. And after you do the little quiz, I think it took me all of 30 seconds to a minute to just go through the quiz. Then what they will do is they'll send you 4 different teas every month. If you're interested in ordering sipsby, I'm going to leave a special code down in the bottom. It is 1mom5, and if you use the code 1mom5, you will get $5 off of your first order of sipsby. So let's open up this box. Alrighty, you guys, so let's see what we got. Alright, okay, so I have my May teas. This is what my sheet looks like. It says May teas, and then on the back it says made for Shakima. Look at that, very personalized. I like this a whole lot. So this tells me, oh, okay, this tells me what teas I have. So I have a Kenyan black tea with mango. I have a Calm Buddha blend by Buddha Teas. The first one was a Jerry Teas. That was high caffeine. The Calm Buddha blend is caffeine free. Then I have another tea called Paris, and that's by Harney and Sons. That's a high caffeine. And see, I guess for me, because I need the caffeine in coffee, It just helps to have that caffeine in my tea. And then I have one called Organic Jasmine Green Tea, and I really do like green tea, and that is a low caffeine blend. Let's get into these. So I have, let's see. Okay, so the Kenyan black tea, and I love black tea. I love green tea and I love black tea. So this is Kenyan black tea with mango, right? And this is cool. So this has Kenyan black tea, natural mango flavors. So I'm looking at the ingredients because, of course, you guys know I'm doing keto. But this is what's neat on the back of these tea bags. This company is called agiritea.com. This says 100% of the profits support orphan education in Kenya. So that is so neat to me. And that's on the back of that. 100% goes to orphan education. So here are my green teas. Oh, there's a fourth one. 4 Kenyan teas. That's going to be great. I love to kind of smell. I'm a tea sniffer, but I can't smell anything to see what's in that one. The Buddha blend, the calm tea. Let's see which one. Oh, okay. So, y'all know I ascribe to Jesus, just so everybody's clear. But I will give this tea a try. So this is what this looks like. It's called the Calm Buddha blend. There it is. And it comes in this neat little box, and you get all 4 of your teas in this neat little box. And this is from Buddha Teas. This says 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steep for 3 to 6 minutes. So on the back of your card that you get that says made for, and it has your name up there, it tells you how much water and then how many minutes to steep your tea. So the Kenyan tea is 3 to 5 minutes. The Buddha tea is 3 to 6 minutes. This one is caffeine free. So this is what they look like. The packaging is really pretty. I do love that. This, it says, by using the highest quality herbs, there's absolutely no need to include any artificial or natural flavorings. So this says that the herbs in this tea are everything you need, so it shouldn't need anything else added to it, which is good for me because, like I said, with coffee, I've been adding in heavy cream, and then on occasion I'll add in a sweetener, but most times I drink it black. So this will be good as well. I do like tea without sweetener in it. The next tea is Paris, and look, these teas are packaged very, very neatly, and I love this. And they're all different. They're all very uniquely packaged, which they're going to look great sitting in my tea drawer for me to just go in and select my fave. So this is from Harney & Sons. This is called Paris. This is a high caffeine tea. 1 sachet is per 8 ounces of water, and this needs to steep for 5 minutes. So this says flavored black teas. So this is a black tea with fruit and caramel kind of flavorings in that. And that is very, very pretty. So I do love these. All the packaging is so different and unique. So that's different from each of the different companies. I think there's 150 companies that they work with to get their different teas, and each month on your subscription you get 4 different teas that are personalized based on the choices that you picked on the quiz. So see how they're all different, the packaging. And then the last tea is, this is the Organic Jasmine Green Tea, 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces, and this steeps for 2 minutes, and you can re-steep this for 2 times. So you can use these tea leaves twice. So this is just in 1 package. This is all you get, is just this 1 package, but you get these tea steep bags. So they all come in this. This is so cute. Reminds me of my Nadine West, you guys, right? Because I get those little pink bags. But you get these bags that you can steep your tea in. And these are like paper bags, but you put your 2 tablespoons of tea in there, and then you pull it tight, you pull the drawstring, and you have an instant tea bag. And with this particular green tea, you can use this twice to make 2 cups of tea. So it's even this little bag, and 2 tablespoons is going to give you a pretty good amount of teas. So if you're looking at, okay, how much is this going to cost me? Is it really worth my money? I'm almost thinking, you know, you're going to be able to use these teas quite often, and depending on the frequency that you drink tea. So I think it's going to be really great. So the other things that came in here, you can use, they gave you a gift card to do $10 tea cash. It says use tea cash code and you'll get $10 off of any gift card, and it gives you a date that you can use that by, and this is a gift card for the tea. So say if you wanted to buy some teas for a friend, you could do that and they'll give you $10 off of that. So that comes in your box. And then you get a $50 gift card, and you'll get, this one is for wine. I'm not a wine drinker, but if you order wine, this will give you a $50 credit, and you can redeem this one as well if you go online. Take their wine quiz and then pick the wines you want, and you'll get a $50 credit off. So anywho, that is it. It is a very simple process. Again, go online, take the tea quiz, and then they will match you up with 4 teas per month according to your quiz results. So if you're interested, please don't forget to check down the description box below. There's a code 1MOM5 that will get you $5 off your first order of Sips by Tea. I hope that you guys do enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it. I will be sipping on my tea starting in the month of June. I probably will sip on my tea starting tonight because I'm gonna need some calm and some relaxation. So Jackson and I thinking we're gonna try us a cup of the Buddha tea. What you think, bud? I think that's what we're gonna do. We ascribe to Jesus, but we're gonna drink the Buddha tea. That's all we're saying. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you so much for your support and all these reviews that we are doing. If you're a community partner, thank you to sipsby for partnering with us, and we are just excited to do this. So anywho, don't forget to like our video, subscribe if you have not, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.